Hey everyone, it's EJ with Nocturnal Welding. I got our new cup cell phone holder here, and I've been getting a lot of questions about the fitment and stuff, like will it fit my coach and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to install it, and I think that's gonna address a lot of these issues. So all right, let's go ahead and jump into it. So if you have one of these cup holders that's too shallow, I haven't found a cup that fits this thing yet. Go ahead, pull that out. Go ahead and measure from here. It's gonna be, you gotta measure from here to here, 3.5 inches, and then from here to here, 8.5. So if you have clearance from here to here, 8.5, and from here to here, 3.5, then you're all set. The reason I'm pointing out this 8.5 to the edge of the cup holder is I've seen some of the coaches, they have a seat that comes all the way up to the cup holder, or the cup holder comes all the way back, and there's just not this room right here. So I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like with the cup holder in also. Okay, just to show you what it looks like with it installed. So from here to here needs to clear 8.5 inches. So if your seat or armrest is gonna hit, then it's probably not gonna work. But if you got some space, if you got 8.5 inches all the way across, you're good to go. So right here you can see this is how the whole setup looks. We got the cutouts for the buttons right here, so you can turn the volume up and down, and it's on both sides, so it's easy to pick up out of the holder. And then in the back, it's got the cutouts for the charger. So you can just go ahead, grab your cord from wherever it plugs in, and plug in right there. And you're good to go. The cup, nice and secure, and it's not going anywhere. Alright everyone, I hope that video was a little more informative than just some of the pictures and answered some of your questions. But if you got any more questions, leave them down below. And alright everyone, happy travels. See you next time.